Hello again, little friends. I'm Milo, and my story stone is already warming up. Today's tale moves fast, so hold on tight. Once, a grandma decides to bake something special. She mixes flour, sugar, and warm spices together. She shapes the dough into a little man, with button eyes and a happy, crumbly smile. She puts Crumb in the warm oven and waits. But then, pop! Crumb jumps right out of the oven. Grandma gasps. Grandma chases after him, waving her wooden spoon. "Come back here," she calls. But the gingerbread man is too quick. He giggles and runs even faster down the road. A farmer sees him running, drops his tools, and stares at him in complete surprise. The farmer hurries after Grandma, and the chase grows even bigger. "Rots, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man."
A cow, a pig, and a curious dog all join the chase.
The gingerbread man laughs and laughs, running so fast his little legs are almost a blur. Soon, the gingerbread man reaches a wide, rushing river, far too big and deep to cross alone.
My story stone is glowing brighter, little friends. I wonder, who else will join the chase next?